Doctors didn't go to med school to write endless notes, yet that's how many end up spending a large portion of their day. Clinical documentation has become one of the most time-consuming parts of healthcare. That's exactly the problem Autonotes.ai aims to solve. It's an AI-powered platform designed specifically for medical professionals who want to save time on note-taking without sacrificing accuracy or compliance. Instead of manually writing SOAP notes or summaries, you simply record a patient consultation or upload an audio file, and the platform takes care of the rest. The AI transcribes the conversation, understands the clinical context, and generates structured notes that are ready to review and export. Unlike generic transcription tools, Autonotes is built with healthcare in mind and trained on real medical language. The AI generates notes in a format that's actually usable, whether you're working in family medicine, psychiatry, cardiology, or another specialty. The notes follow HIPAA-compliant standards, meaning data security and patient privacy are fully respected. You can edit, fine-tune, or customize the output as needed, and even adjust the tone or note style to match your preferred workflow. Integration is simple. You can export directly to your EHR system, or save the notes as clean PDFs. The platform is intuitive to use. In just a few minutes, you can generate a polished note that would have taken 10-15 minutes to type manually. Over time, that adds up to hours saved each week, freeing clinicians to spend more time with patients and less time in front of a screen. Of course, there are a few limitations. Autonotes currently works best in English, and for especially complex or nuanced cases, a manual review of the AI output is still recommended. Pricing starts at $59 per month, which may feel expensive for solo practitioners, but for busy clinics handling dozens of encounters per day, it quickly becomes cost-effective. In the end, Autonotes.ai isn't just another dictation tool. It's a smart assistant designed to reduce burnout, streamline clinical workflows, and help providers focus on what truly matters: their patients. If you're tired of spending hours every week on documentation, this is one AI tool worth trying in 2025.